guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica J. If you guys are new here, and we do lifestyle videos, home decor videos, and I have some DIY projects coming up and some style videos coming up. So if that interests you in any way, please subscribe down below. And then to my returning subscribers, hello, how are you guys? So today we are going shopping at Homegoods. Now I had a whole video planned for today. It's actually a style video, which I was so excited about, but it wasn't perfect, as perfect can be. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that will be Monday's video. But today we're gonna go to HomeGoods, and I saw a lot of interesting items, a lot of dupes, restoration hardware dupes, your favorite high-end brands, or your favorite high-end stores. I saw a lot of dupes for those, like West Elm, Pottery Barn. So if you guys are excited and you wanna see what they have to offer this week, then keep watching. So we're gonna do voiceover mode, but I really love these lanterns right here. I love like the vintage look of them, the color. They remind me of something from World Market. Now this mirror right here, I thought was so gorgeous, and it's a total dupe of a Pottery Barn and a West Elm mirror. This mirror right here is a total dupe for a Pottery Barn mirror. I really like these pillows right here. They don't go with anything I have, but I just really like them. They really remind me of a mid-century modern vibe. Now, Restoration Hardware has a lot of these type of decor items, and HomeGoods has been having a lot of these lately. This HomeGoods had a lot of coffee table books, and don't be fooled by the colorful covers. You can just take those off, and a lot of the time they will have something amazing underneath. These lanterns are a total RH dupe, like the exact. It's just a different color. If you don't want to keep it that brass color, you can definitely spray paint it. I thought this thing was really cool, and it was in the clearance section for only $9. Okay, this bookend was giving me RH vibes. It is beautiful, so vintage looking. I know this is a totally different item, this pedestal, but it just really reminded me of it. RH also has a lot of these horse sculptures. I know this one is a bookend, but you guys can totally spray paint this or just have it on your shelf. The eye is a little creepy to me, I'm not gonna lie. I thought this African Juju hat was beautiful. RH has a collar that has feathers on it as well. Different items, but still similar if you are looking for a dupe. You remember this item, you guys? I returned it because I didn't have a place for it. This item right here is a RH dupe. You can just spray paint it if you don't want to keep it the gold color, but look how similar those items are. This mirror is so beautiful and it is huge, and it is a dupe of this RH mirror. It has a little bit of a different detail, but very similar item. Very similar, you guys. All right, guys, we're back. Now, Homegoods had a lot of amazing items, but I didn't pick up a lot. I'm just very selective at this point with what I'm getting. I'm kind of finishing up in some areas of my house, so I'm not trying to get too much. You know, I like recording when I go to Homegoods so that you guys can see what they have to offer. I know a lot of you are redecorating your home, so I like to go and look for myself and then also bring you guys along so you guys can see what they have, and then you can check out your local Homegoods to see what they have to offer. And then also, a lot of you are commenting that your Homegoods isn't really, it's been empty. So my advice to you is maybe you can drive over to the next city, or maybe it's like a bigger city. Maybe they might have more items, or call your Homegoods to see when they get their shipments and ask them what time is the best time to go. So hopefully you guys will have better luck. I really hope you guys will. So enough of me rambling. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Now, I only picked up one thing, and it wasn't even something I was looking for, but when I saw this, I said, yes, this is coming home with me. Now, this is a cutting board, and I like using cutting boards for decor or as decor pieces in my kitchen. Now, this one is so beautiful. I love the wood grain in it. I don't like, this is cool to me, the little slit, that's cool. I don't really care for this bow thing in the back, but you're not gonna see that when I put it on my camera or my countertop. This was only $14.99, and it's a natural wood cutting board, but it is heavy. And I really love the shape. I really love everything about it. And it also says that this was made in India. And you guys know that I love picking up items from Homegoods that's from somewhere else, and looks like it has a story to tell. I love that. So since I only picked up one item, I wanted to make the video more exciting for you guys, besides, you know, shopping at Homegoods. Who doesn't like shopping at Homegoods? So I'm gonna show you guys how I put it, or how I style it in my kitchen. Okay, so this is kind of like the current situation over here. I actually love my cutting boards. I love them, but I just thought they were a little too small for the space. We're gonna switch some stuff out. We're gonna move some stuff around, and we're gonna incorporate this one right here. Now, I really wanna hide this outlet right here. I actually cannot stand it. So before going to bed, I styled my cutting board on the counter like this, and I was happy with it. And then this morning, I wasn't really ready to part ways with my West Elm cutting board, so I tried to incorporate it. So this is what I ended up changing it to. You guys let me know which way you think is better, the first way or this way right here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys are not subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. You should be here.